Who's that?
That's Mommy and Daddy.
That's Mommy and Katia?
That's all.
Are you giving kisses? Hello?
Yeah.
Are you giving kisses? Mwah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you count? Can you show Mommy how you count?
2.
Okay, you gotta start with 1. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Kisses. Oh. Thank you.
Mom,
What else should we do?
this time.
Can you sing a song? Can you sing a song?
Go, yeah, the sun, have under tree, me, my turn.
Okay, you sing Twinkle. You did really good with Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
Yes.
Can you sing it again?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I, my turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Yay!
Oh, yay! Okay, that was pancake. You didn't even do a verse. Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, my turn.
No, you do it. You gotta do your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E,
Apple P.
Apple, B, L,
Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay, we're done?
Yes.
Can you say bye-bye, people?
Bye, Papa.
Okay, can you say bye, homie?
Bye, homie.
Okay, give me 5. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Knuckles.